What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If your Android app suddenly disappeared and you have no idea where they went, don't panic, this is a common issue and I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy steps to bring your missing apps back in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the app drawer. Sometimes the app is not deleted, it has only been removed from the home screen accidentally. Start by swiping up on your Android home screen to open the app drawer, where all installed apps are stored. Use the search bar at the top and type the name of the missing app. If the app appears in the search results, press and hold the app icon. A small menu will appear on the screen. Tap Add to Home Screen or drag the app icon back to the home screen manually. This is one of the most common reasons why apps seem to disappear on Android devices. Step 2. Make sure the app isn't disabled. Some apps disappear because they were disabled accidentally through system settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps or Applications. Then select See All Apps to view the complete app list. Now search for the missing app. If you see an Enable button instead of Open, it means the app is currently disabled. Simply tap the Enable button to restore the app instantly. After enabling it, the app should reappear in the app drawer and home screen. Step 3. Check hidden apps. Many Android launchers include a feature that allows apps to be hidden from view. Open the app drawer and tap the three-dot menu icon or go to Launcher Settings. Look for an option called Hidden Apps or Hide Apps. Inside that menu, you may find the missing application listed there. Uncheck or unhide the app to make it visible again. This feature is common on Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme, Oppo and other Android devices. Step 4. Check the Google Play Store. If the app was accidentally deleted or uninstalled, you can reinstall it easily. Open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage Apps and Device, then open the Manage tab. Tap Installed and change the filter to Not Installed. Find the missing app from the list and tap Install to download it again. After reinstalling, the app will return to your Android device normally. If you still have any problems or questions, feel free to comment below. I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.